it's Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Today we're going to be making appleberry fruit bread. The first thing you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 350 and grease a loaf pan. We're going to need 1.5 cups of milk. And I'm using reconstituted evaporated milk today. A tablespoon of baking powder, 2 1/4 cups of flour, I'm going to need 1 cup of brown sugar or white sugar, and I had just under 1 cup of brown sugar left, and so I just added about a tablespoon of white sugar to top it off. 3 eggs, tablespoons of butter, melted or very soft. You need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You need a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. You're going to need 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then I have almost 2 cups, and you need to use 1 to 2 cups of apples and mixed berries, whatever berries you have. I've got strawberries and some blueberries and some blackberries and apple. Mostly I have apple. So just any combination of apple and mixed berries, you could use cranberries too, to equal 1 to 2 cups. And we're going to mix all that up. And it's going to be a batter. I'm just going to pour my batter into a greased loaf pan. And now we're going to put that in that 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the center comes out clean when you insert a toothpick or a piece of dry pasta in there. And we'll be back when the bread is ready. Appleberry bread is all done and out of the oven. I'm glad you could join us today for this quick dessert or breakfast. Thank you for joining us today. Bye.